Now, Bishop, you call fix the country. So,
okay.
Fix the country. Fee a fee chassis and big one to do now. Sorry, I said that be. Point of mine no fast so nyaman ko ye tiwe enye politics enye partisan me una no say that be a PCC e wo yema mu na so wo mo sha ase na Accra Circuit Court Accra High Court to be precise e ka say that be coronavirus ne who restrictions nti wo mo ntwa so na wo mo push here the Supreme Court amakwan na so be seen the Ghana police crash again futu aba contain say be ya citizens no so biba so wono kasa say blood demonstration ko fa hu anyi bi na e ba ne say na Supreme Court amakwan say o face the country demonstration na mpan mu enti wo mo ko na say Ghana Police Service any penifa wo do bi e2 for say mu obi a emfa hu no.
But the police people also are saying because of the COVID.
But Supreme Court soon all the instances and no na ye oman ye mra bad time a obetimi aka say na enko but you still na Ghana Police that.
All right. Fix the country. No, say youth, they are the future leaders of this country. The youth are the future. Or might be every nation under the sun. The youth are the future of the country. And it is a one position youth in here. One position youth in here. Eventually, they will put that government into trouble. And fix the country, I think, sir, our government and our leaders, they should rise up above political parties. America, Ghana and Africa has good leaders, but we don't have great leaders. That is a problem of Africa. Africa only have good leaders, but we never have a great leaders. What makes leader great? Vision. Africa don't actually have visionary leaders. So, fix the country demonstration. Ghana need to be fixed. Ghana need to be fixed. The unemployment need too much. They should create. And I will say, I've seen that Ghana, everything is government. It's not good. Be a government in SOA, and you're correct. It's not government who's supposed to create jobs. When you go to other parts of the world, government don't create jobs. Government only creates good environment, conducive environment for businesses to move ahead. So, a kromano, omuna owners of the chrono businesses. And say in your system, I've seen that everything in Ghana belongs to the government. And I even wonder how the government gather money to pay workers. It's too much. Do you believe the majority, about 80 to 90% of buildings in America is owned by individuals?
Yeah. Indians.
It's owned hotels. It's owned by private people. Only the government has only created the environment for business to go ahead. So, that is what we need to do here. The entire amount of finance, sorry, say fix the country, and they say a Jumanigo. So be a busy and a walk on the Juma. So America, who school close to me, and they pay you work once you are in the school to pay your school fees.
Yeah.
Who was school out to me? A Juma or beer almost everywhere. So, but not Ghana here. Who call school background in Juma? Our road, majority of our road is not fixed. It's better. The government has also tried, which we need to acknowledge him. Because I say, offer communities are first, offer communities are potholes. Today, you can see majority of the communities roads, I'm not fixing it, including my area and Tesano. So we are coming up, but they should speed up things. They should have visions for the young ones. They should have proper visions. We should create proper economy, business environment. That should be the vision of our leaders. They are now as soon as they will rise up one day and then fight it. Out for the court, they have said it all. But the police too are giving the reason why they should wait because of the COVID. So I also agree with the police.
Bishop, Mipacho, Omocha, Sepano political organizations and events are not yet say, Nanwada say, Johnny, you, Confo Bodom, Pimo, Obianca, COVID about, Obianca, Mampinu, Obianca, Samu. But the banner say, in Meguno, a Nibra Semo, Amonia, say, on person pushing out on my as a same Pena, I hear assem.
I believe that there's so many ways to go about things. It's not necessary you have to stand up, gather in your thousands, say you are going for demonstration.
Okay.
Because of the COVID. This time, there's so many ways to make your views to, is a social media. There's so many ways to express yourself.
Okay.
There are so many ways. Instead of say, group in one place, a year there, say nipa 10,000 share, a year there, somebody may have it. And the youth, when it comes to demonstration, yes, you are exercise patient. You have your own time kakra. You have your own time kakra. Now, through social media, you bet me so I express your views. But you tell the police for no come. Now, yes, also you more or mine on a COVID. No, you into us your crime free or mine. So I agree with the police.
But
say you have my own time.
Whilst they are fighting for face the country, some of the youth also, Prophet, imagine say rains crying that they rains, face the country, face the country. Every more could react, and the Kuku assist some the quiet scraps. And here I get good road to say the court tally big so. If you at the care, I will boy Yakosiwo, as a sa and we are no free, so I could go fee. And so we are with them on this and fix the country.
And only as someone, we need to fix our attitude. Ghanaians need to fix our attitude. You see, all this stealing is a poverty mentality.
Okay.
All this stealing is a pure poverty mentality. When the people are too poor, that what they are doing is an act of poverty, act of frustration. So fix the country, that our leaders should try their best to create a good environment. Do you know that Ghana is too expensive to live here? Ghana is too expensive. Meanwhile, they don't create any job. Our leaders don't create any work for anybody. I wonder how people manage to survive in this country. So, everything in Ghana is too extra expensive. Everything. Electricity, rent, everything is extra expensive. And what some crofo we are railways and then they are act of poverty. So obia you okay. Obia was kakra on the bottom. Obia ye okay. Man order that you go that they are also
the hungry man is hungry.
Yes. Electricity, what you're seeing and people are stealing it.
Yeah.
Cables, we are cables. Light, I guess you see street lighting and climb up to 2 bob or no, if you can no cotton. These are pure act of poverty.